Hi, I'm Taylor.
And I'm Zoe.
Welcome to our crash course on cow manure's effect on the environment.
As of 2018, there were 94.4 million cows in the United States. Cattle in the U.S. consume over 4 billion pounds of food in one day, and what goes in must come out. So what happens to their waste?
Cow manure actually taints soil and freshwater with phosphorus and nitrogen. Cows, through belching and flatulence, are the leading contributor to methane in the atmosphere, which is one of the most toxic greenhouse gases and leads to the thinning of the ozone layer.
The massive amounts of methane emissions and nitrogen infiltration in soil and water systems affect your ability to breathe, your potable water supply, and the crops that you consume. Our project aims to address these climate issues and discover what other problems arise when scientists and farmers try to reduce the negative impacts of cow excretion, while also conserving the economic benefits of the industry.
Through our research, we have investigated converting raw manure to fertilizer or changing the diet of cattle in order to reduce methane output, both as possible solutions for agricultural climate problems. We realize that these solutions are not possible currently in every community, and we strive to get to the root of the problem that prohibits progress in this field of study.
Our team wants to put the new in manure and discover what is truly prohibiting us from moving forward in climate change prevention.